welcome back to the channel, and today I want to thank LASFIT for sending me out these turn signals. So what I'm going to be doing is changing out the turn signals and the reverse lights on this. So my car already has LED turn signals that we saw from a previous video where I had to install resistors to fix the hyper flashing. Well, with these you don't have to have those resistors, and it has built-in resistors to avoid that hyper flashing. And with this, it's plug and play. You just have to plug it in and then that's it. So I actually needed a new light bulb anyways because the front turn signal, the LEDs, the resistor actually just malfunctioned, so it started hyper flashing. So I don't think those are reliable, and hopefully these built-in resistors are much better than that. So yeah, today's episode is just me switching out the turn signals with the LASFIT ones, and let's see how much brighter they are. So you see my front, it's hyper flashing, and the rear is also hyper flashing. So now I'm going to switch to the right side, and it's blinking normally, it's functioning normally, as well as the rear. So I'm gonna see if it's much brighter. As you can see from the reflection of the garage door wall, I'm gonna use this as a guide to see if it's any brighter. So I'll put like a comparison later, side by side, and see how much brighter it is. Alright, so I'm gonna be changing out the front LED turn signals first. Oh, one out. Alright, so this is the front LED lights from LASFIT, and these are a lot bigger than the rear turn signals. So let's see how they fit. So I was not able to get the light bulb in because the LASFIT is so much bigger, as you can see from the previous LED light bulb. So I was not able to fit it in. So what you have to do, you have to actually remove the front bumper and the headlights to put it in. So let's get that out. Alright, so I got the LASFIT light bulbs in, and this is the old LED light bulbs, and I can tell this is so much brighter. If you can look against the wall, and you see how much it shines compared to the other one. Yeah, compared to the other one, this is not as bright. Yeah, so big difference from the crappy LED light bulbs and the LASFIT. The LASFIT, it's so much brighter. Here, let me show you side by side. Turn off the hazards. The one on the right is the old LEDs. You see that's not as bright. You can see the reflection of the wall. And now the LASFIT, it's a huge improvement. And right now, like, it doesn't have the resistor, so as you can see, there's no hyper flashing. Alright, so I just put in the rear turn signals, and I didn't put on the other one yet, but I just wanted to show you the comparison of what it looks like between the LASFIT and some off-brand LEDs. So here, this is the LASFIT. As you can see, it's extremely bright, bouncing off the wall. And let's see the other one. As you can see, it's not as bright. So here it is again, LASFIT and the off-brand LEDs. Not even a comparison. Check out this quality, guys. It's got the LASFIT logo in the front. It has a little bit of a goldish cap on this. It looks really nice. Let's compare this to the old LED that I was using. So this was the old one, where this is just plastic all around. It's just really cheaply made. I don't know, I got this for like $12 on Amazon, but this is a lot more expensive. But the thing is, you don't need to have the resistor. Alright guys, so I just completed all the lights installation on the LASFIT LEDs on all the turn signals. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the left, the right. As you can tell, these are extremely bright, and there's no hyper flashing. You can see how much brighter it is compared to the old one. It's just shining against the wall. And they're so bright. And check out the rears too. This one is, yeah, people who is right behind you are definitely gonna see that. Yeah, so if any of you guys are wanting to upgrade your turn signals, I highly recommend the LASFIT. Look at them, they're so bright, look at that. I think all my cars, I'm definitely gonna get the LASFIT. Look how bright they are. Okay, so it's nighttime outside, so I'm gonna open the garage door and show you what it looks like. My entire garage is just being lit up right now. If you guys are interested in buying one of these sets from LASFIT, I'll link it down in the description below so you can check them out. Definitely worth the purchase. I believe it's so bright, look at that. And one good thing about this is that it doesn't require the resistors, so there's no hyper flashing. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely worth the purchase on getting these LASFIT turn signals. So definitely check them out. Yeah, so check you guys later. Peace out guys.